Hi everybody, my name's Michael. I'm a landscape architect and environmentalist, and today we're going to be talking about the Heartleaf Philodendron and how you can grow her in your home. So, you ready to dig in? Let's grow! The Heartleaf Philodendron goes by the botanical name Philodendron heteroecium. She's native to Central America and the West Indies. She's a climbing vine, as you can tell, and you can have her in your home as a plant in a hanging basket, or with some supports, an upright trailing vine like up a totem. The plant is known for, obviously, these adorable dark green heart-shaped leaves, and she is kind of a robust grower. We picked this up actually from Fairchild Tropical Botanical Gardens. They had a plant sale, I don't know how long ago, but since we had her, she's added, 2 feet of growth. This is just new. This just came out in the last day or so. And she continues to keep growing. And we'll show you in a split screen here where we have her growing in the other part of our home. The plant is actually, kind of low maintenance in the sense that it doesn't really ask for a lot from you. On plant care for your Heartleaf Philodendron, you want to make sure you give them medium to high light. Ours is grown with medium light, which is, with our foot candle readings, it's coming between 250 to like 450. They can handle high light, north of 500 foot candles, but you don't want direct sunlight because that could harm the leaves. But they actually can handle lower light, which is kind of cool if you have a dark area in your home and you want to add some accent. It's very exotic looking, the trailing look. We like this totem pole feel, and you can just see all these roots popping off of it, which is tempting us because if this goes up to the ceiling, we're gonna have to do something to propagate. So we may be doing a video on that. So please consider subscribing to our channel so you can catch any of these new videos that when we upload them. It grows kind of quickly, so you want to give her some room so that she can stretch her beautiful leaves out. For soil grown, and ours was grown in soil, you typically want a well-drained potting mix. We said this many times on our videos. We like Miracle-Gro an 80-20 mix where you have 80% of the Miracle-Gro indoor potting mix mixed with 20% perlite. And we lately been adding a little bit of worm manure, I guess you would say, worm castings they call it, and that we do that just to enrich it a little bit. For watering needs, we like to water ours once a week. You can stretch that out a little bit, but you do want to make sure that you always test the soil with your finger. Go down up to 2 inches with 2 knuckles. The 2-knuckle rule, we say, just to make sure that you don't have a waterlogged plant. Many people tend to overwater their house plants, and that's a problem. For humidity and air for temperatures, a typical home may see a 40% humidity. The plant will do well. This is a tropical plant, as are many house plants, and they tend to want a little bit higher humidity, but home will typically bring you 40% humidity, and these philodendrons do fine. There's no problem with that. Oh, one thing I want to know is that many people get this confused with pothos. It is not. It's in the philodendron family, which is a different genus. Actually, philodendron, which is cool, a little aside there, means tree hugger, because these tend to attach to trees in the Central America and West Indies and climb up to get to the sides of trees to get to the light from the forest floor. Such a pretty plant. So pretty. For pests, we don't seem to see any pest problems with ours, which is great. It's low maintenance in that regard. And I talked about humidity. Fertilizer. On fertilizer, you want to use a 20-20-20. We like Jack's 20-20-20. We add it from like April through September, late September, in our watering. You don't have to do it all the time. She's not fussy about that because she's doing pretty well. She's doing well on her own. We're not hitting her with a lot of fertilizer. So what we're going to do now is rotate over into written care instructions so you can get a summary of all that I said and a few more pointers, and you can do a screenshot of that and have that for your Heartleaf Philodendron to use at your leisure. And then we'll come back and do a summary at the end. So we hope you enjoyed the video. And if you have any questions, just leave them in the comment box below, and I'll make sure I get back to you. And until the next video, see ya.
If you found value in this video, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell. We post weekly. Thanks.